In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Docusign with Monday.com. By the end, you'll have the Docusign app installed inside your Monday.com account and connected to the board where your team works, so you can manage documents and signatures without leaving your workflow. Before we start, make sure you're signed into your Monday.com account and that you have permission to install apps. It also helps to have your Docusign credentials handy so you can connect your account when prompted later. If you're not an admin, you may need approval to complete the installation. Begin on your Monday.com homepage. At the top of the screen, look for the small puzzle piece icon. This is your shortcut to the app's marketplace. Click it to open the marketplace in a new panel or tab. From here, you can browse featured apps, but to move faster, we'll use search. In the marketplace, click into the search bar and type Docusign. You should see the Docusign app appear in the results. Select it to open the app's listing page. Take a moment to review the overview, features, and permissions. This page explains what the app can access and how it integrates with boards, items, and workflows, which is useful for security reviews. When you're ready, click Install App. You'll be asked where to make the app available. You can install it for all workspaces, which is best if multiple teams will use it, or choose specific workspaces if you want tighter control and a smaller rollout. For a quick setup, selecting all workspaces keeps things simple, and you can always limit access later if needed. Confirm your choice, then click Install to continue. After the installation completes, you'll be prompted to choose where you want to use the app right away. Pick the workspace that contains the board you plan to integrate with Docusign. Next, select the board where your items or deals live. This ensures the app is added exactly where your team tracks work and documents. Finally, click Add App. Monday.com will add the Docusign app to that board. Depending on your setup, you may see a new board view or widget appear. If prompted, connect your Docusign account to authorize the integration so it can send and manage envelopes from your items. That's it. If you don't see the app immediately, refresh your browser or check the board's views to confirm it's enabled. For more controlled environments, consider switching the installation scope to specific workspaces. You're now ready to streamline document signing directly from your Monday.com boards.